Okay, so this is a video of my thoughts of why the heater cores go bad in a P38. This is one of the known problems with the cars. This is a heater core that came out of the donor P38. It's actually still good, I believe. Looked like it might have started a little small leak, but we're not going to be using this one. So here's why I think it is an issue. These are the pipes from a P38, and if you notice the connection, there are no clamps. It's a press fit, and you're depending on these O-rings to keep everything together. There is only one screw. It's this screw right here that goes through right here. Let's get a zoom on that. And that keeps everything together. So it's just that one screw right there. Now the issue is these pipes are stationary with in the firewall. This is stationary also in the heater box. And to be able to line these up so they are perfectly perpendicular, because remember that you're doing this underneath the dash. If you try to replace the O-rings, it's very difficult to get that at the exact angle and get it completely flush. What happened to me, I tried to do it one time, but it was not exactly flush because this is solid, but you're trying to get them, and it was not exactly flush, and so I got a leak. That's the first time I used the original replacement. The second time I did this, I did not use a Nissen. I used an off-brand, and I've gotten a leak somewhere down below. I have bought a new part. I got the Nissen 7230, and we are gonna hope that works. Now the nice thing about the Nissen is actually you can put hose right there, put hose clamps on it. Most people just run the hose clamp all the way through the firewall and into the metal pipes that go from the engine and then back into the where the radiator is going to be, and everything else goes back to the water pump and such. So that is my theory of why the heater cores go. You're depending on the O-rings to make sure there's no leaks, because you've only got that one screw holding this thing holding the pipes to the heater core, and then you're depending on the O-rings as the vibration of the Range Rover is going. Even on road, you're going to have vibration. You're depending on those O-rings to keep everything in there and not letting water out. I would rather have hose clamps on these fittings any day versus a press fit with one screw holding it together.